Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I also well. First of all, I would like to welcome you on our online platform of NIVS Home School. Here, I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Medium School, and now we are going to enjoy an ICT class for the students of class 8. Dear students, although this is your first class, so I hope you will enjoy the class, and this class is about your ICT books first chapter lesson 1 and 2 discussion, and you also have a homework. It's number 1. Dear students, I have summarized these 2 lessons. It's about the importance of ICT. It's your chapter first. Okay, so in lesson 1 you will get a story about Nilima. On the book it's written that Nilima is a girl of class 5 who got his result, but she also has a brother living in Dhaka. In the book we get that Nilima's father lives in abroad and he sent money through his mother's phone. Okay, so dear students, to send money through phone, it's the contribution rendered by ICT. Then we found that Nilima's brother Hossain also lives in Dhaka. He reads in BUET, Bangladesh Engineering and Technology, and we get that this day is very much enjoyable to them because Hossain is coming at home. And in other paragraph we get that Hossain is trying to have BCS exam. So when he came to his home, on that time his grandfather got a recruitment of BCS, and he was in great intention that whether his grandchild Hossain can apply for the BCS or not, because in the village home there were not any cyber cafe or internet provider. Okay, and in another paragraph we got that Nilima got her PECE result through her mother's phone. So this is also a task rendered by ICT. And dear students, at the last paragraph we got that Hossain was able to apply for the BCS and by the help of his laptop and modem. And in the same way he also got his return ticket from Netrakona to Dhaka also by the help of his computer and modem. So in this how he vanishes the intention of his grandfather to whether he can apply for the BCS or not. So this means this sent money application for the BCS, Nilima's getting PECE result, and Hossain's getting return ticket to Dhaka. All these are rendered by ICT. So these are few examples of importance of ICT. Dear students, now let's come to lesson 2. It's about ICT, that means information and communication technology in creating and getting job. Dear students, in this era, the importance of ICT can't be described in words. Okay, so here you will, in the first paragraph, you will get this quotation: connectivity is productivity. Dear students, connectivity is productivity. That means if you are connected with the facilities rendered by ICT or with modern tools, then your productivity must be increased. That means if you are connected with the modern tools, whatever you go to do, if you are connected with the ICT, then your productivity must be good. Such as, imagine that you are students, so imagine that you are getting any trouble in any topic, and if you feel that there is no solve of this problem, but on that case how ICT can help you? Dear students, if you go through internet and search it, inshallah you will get a result and which would be very much beneficial to you. So this is called ICT from the notion of students. But imagine that I am a teacher, so from my notion, if I get any problem, then I can get solve in internet. So this is vary from person to person. Okay, this is called connectivity is productive. That means if we are connected with modern tools, then our productivity, that means our output would be good. Use of robots, it decreases our risk and lessen manpower. Distance use of robot has lessens manpower. ATM services. ATM services means automated teller machine. So by these we can get money without going to the bank and by maintaining a long line. So this is also rendered by ICT. Then availability of information. Dear students, nowadays all the informations are available in internet. Whatever you like to search it, you go through and search it, then get it. And this also rendered by ICT. Then virtual office services. Dear students, nowadays in many developed countries, even in our countries also, we can see the virtual offices. Actually, for you, dear students, nowadays, although it's a corona pandemic, you also enjoying the class by staying at home. This is also called virtual classes. Okay. Then automated monitoring. Dear students, now automated monitoring means I can monitor anything by staying here. That means imagine that I have GPS service in my car. So by staying here, by the help of internet and any device, I can track where my car is. So this is called automated monitoring. Dear students, you have a homework. Homework number 1. It's make 5 MCQ and submission date is 29 January 2021. Dear students, this is the end of the class. I hope you all got understood today's class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.